Hi, today I'm going to show you how to remove your front wheel from your S1000RR. Do not mess with the left side pinch bolts. The left side pinch bolts hold the axle threads in place, so you don't want to mess with that. That's what holds the female side where the axle goes into. Whether you remove your ABS sensor and pop it out is totally up to you. It'd be good not to scratch it or mess it up. It's a pretty expensive system, so I will just take mine out. Okay, so start off by loosening the right side pinch bolts. It requires a 45-degree Torx. And then you're going to use a 24 millimeter hex to loosen the axle. Go ahead and loosen the brake calipers. It's going to be a 13 millimeter socket. Loosen both sides. Loosen the ABS screw and just remove it. It's a T25 Torx. And then after that, go ahead and remove your front fender. That also is going to be a T25 Torx. Once you're done with that, go ahead and put the bike on the rear stand only. The front stand that I have, I need to remove the mount for the brake lines. That requires a T30 Torx just to get the pin into the triple clamp. You may have a different one. It's up to you whether you need to remove this or not. Okay, go ahead and put your bike on the stand. Just for your edification, I showed you how it should fit. Ensure that you do not pinch your brake lines. That can cause some serious problems later down the road. I like to tape my rims up just because I do not like scratches on them. We are going to remove the calipers, so this isn't entirely necessary, but just in case you slip, better safe than sorry. Tape them up. Then go ahead and remove your calipers, place them on something so that there's no pressure on the lines and they're not just sitting there dangling. And last but not least, go ahead and remove your axle. Try to place it in an area where the grease isn't going to get a bunch of dirt and grit on it so you don't scratch it all up, and then you're done.